Hi friends, today we are discuss about one physical quantity, mass. In physics, mass is a property of a physical body. It is generally a measure of an object's resistance to changing its state of motion when a force is applied. It is determined by the strength of its mutual gravitational attraction to other bodies, its resistance to acceleration or directional changes, and in the theory of relativity gives the mass energy content of a system. The SI unit of mass is the kilogram kg. Mass is not the same as weight, even though we often calculate an object's mass by measuring its weight with a spring scale instead of comparing it to known masses. An object on the moon would weigh less than it would on Earth because of the lower gravity, but it would still have the same mass. In Newtonian physics, mass can be generalized as the amount of matter in an object. However, at very high speeds or for subatomic particles, special relativity shows that energy is an additional source of mass. Thus, any stationary body having mass has an equivalent amount of energy, and all forms of energy resist acceleration by a force and have gravitational attraction. In addition, matter is a loosely defined term in science and thus cannot be precisely measured. And the equation of the mass is F is equal to ma. In here, F is equal to force and m is represented as mass and a is acceleration. The mass of an object determines its acceleration in the presence of an applied force. This phenomenon is called inertia. According to Newton's second law of motion, if a body of fixed mass m is subjected to a single force F, its acceleration a is given by F by m. A body's mass also determines the degree to which it generates or is affected by a gravitational field. If a first body of mass ma is placed at a distance r from a second body of mass mb, each body experiences an attractive force Fc is equal to gm by r square, where g is equal to 6.672 10 to the power of minus 1 n kilograms minus 2 m square is the universal gravitational constant. This is sometimes referred to as gravitational mass. Thank you for watching About Mass.